Hi there, I'm Stephanie White, owner of Diligence One Financial Solutions. Diligence One specializes in providing industry specific accounting and bookkeeping services to the trucking and transportation industry. We also provide accounting and business solutions to service providing small businesses, as well as business coaching and personal finance coaching for individuals. I am here today to talk to you about bookkeeping. Yesterday was tax day, so I hope you filed your taxes. Um, so today is what, the 19th of April, and yesterday was tax day. And I'm hoping that most of you took care of that. But are there some of you out there who found yourself needing to file an extension because your tax preparer was not able to get through your books in time? Are you utilizing year-round bookkeeping services or accounting services to make sure that your company is in compliance? I hope so, but we're going to talk a little bit about that today. So first and foremost, what is a bookkeeper, right? You hear the term bookkeeper, you hear the term accountant, you also have your professional or tax preparer that, is helping you. What are these people supposed to be doing, right? So a bookkeeper really is that main person who is responsible for categorizing all of the transactions that you have throughout the course of the year, throughout the course of a month, throughout the course of a week. They are really your first line of defense when it comes to being able to keep your books in order and to keep everything straight when it comes to any transactions that are taking place for your company. And from there, an accountant. Accountant is that next level. Accountants do typically do bookkeeping and accounting work, and the accounting work really has to do with more of the analysis of your financial reports and helping to sort of interpret that information for you and make suggestions to be able to be more informed about the business decisions that you need to make. Those two, bookkeeper and accountant, as compared to a tax professional or tax preparer, that tax preparer, of course, focuses specifically on taxes typically. And again, there can be some overlap with each of the three of those just based on a person's background and experience, because some tax preparers also do bookkeeping and accounting work. Some accountants, a lot of the term accountant oftentimes is thought to be a tax accountant, but then all accountants are not tax accountants or tax preparers. So, it's often best to take a look into someone's, talk to a person about their experience and what they're comfortable working on to clearly understand what it is, so, what services that they provide and how they can best help you. Because oftentimes, an accountant can very easily hand off, the tax preparing work to either a tax professional or a CPA, to get that thing done. Or sometimes an accountant is, capable and interested in actually doing your taxes as well. In my personal opinion, it's a good check and balance to have, an accountant slash bookkeeper and someone doing your taxes, a tax professional. This way, you have the opportunity to have that check and balance that goes on between having two different sets of eyes on your books. But of course, that's always up to you. It's all based on fees oftentimes. So, whatever is best works out for your pocket may also be, how you look at that. But anyway, let's talk a little bit about the benefits of having a bookkeeper slash accountant type person in your world. Again, financial organization. That person that's working on your bookkeeping is going to be intimately aware of your finances. They're going to be able to take a look at the information that you are providing, the transactions that you're providing to them, and track those expenses, track that income, categorize it properly, and it helps them, it helps you to gain understanding of where your money is going, and they are able to check for deductions. What kind of things are you spending on that could actually be a tax deduction when tax time comes? So they're best at being able to, to organize your finances. They're able to provide you with accurate reports. So again, being able to um, pull all that information together, get a report out, and actually interpret that report so that you understand where your money is going, what you're spending on, how you can um, best work on, doing a better job on your expense side, or maybe even on your, income side, to condense, what you're working on and be able to uh, better be prepared with your expenses. Time saving. Come on, when it comes to uh, working on any type of paperwork, I mean, is that really something that you as a business owner want to be doing? Being involved in the operation of your business, the marketing for your business to make sure that you're driving your sales properly is a little bit more important than the paperwork that goes on the back end of things. And from the perspective of where you're spending your time as a small business owner. So handing that responsibility of the bookkeeping off to somebody who is more adept at it is typically a better idea when it comes to making sure that you're generating the income and paying attention to your expenses as best you can, and your marketing as best you can, so that you are, you know, doing a better job at, increasing your business. Compliance. Oftentimes, things about the tax laws change. Bookkeepers and accountants are more adept at understanding the GAAP principles, which are the generally accepted accounting principles. So they're able to apply them properly to your books, so that, again, you're prepared for tax time. So, being in compliance is extremely important. Again, there's also the idea of penalties and fines that can come about if your information is not accurate. So again, they're able to provide the opportunity to make sure that your book's in compliance. And as I stated before, again, financial reports. Being able to analyze those reports, understand and digest them, and then help you, or make suggestions to you to how to make better decisions for your business. Bookkeepers and accountants are typically able to make those interpretations and do that analysis to help you to improve, the financial health of your business. So those are some of the areas that you might want to look at, or the reasons why having a bookkeeper would be very important to you. I would definitely suggest, that if your company is able to take on that expense, that you do that, uh, to be able to just, based on the reasons I've just given you, understand that better. But if that is something that you are interested in doing and I might be able to provide that assistance to you, I would certainly be interested in talking with you to further explain and have you understand the services that I provide. Again, I'm Stephanie White from Diligence One Financial Solutions, and I hope to hear from you. Drop a comment down below to let me know that you've stopped by. And if you have any questions, you can also drop those in the comments as well for me. And I can be reached at hello@diligencefinancial.com. That's hello@diligence1, that's WON, financial.com. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye bye.